Hey, my awesome people, this is Dr. Shivam, and in this podcast, I am excited to discuss something which is very relevant for nowadays. A lot more people are going through trouble and they are facing difficulty to move ahead. So let us discuss how to get back on track when the things are difficult. I will here tell you 4 ways to get back at your track when the things are difficult for you. Number 1, admit you are not where you want to be. It's time to be brutally honest with yourself. Just think what all is going wrong with you. You can have a conversation with someone you trust or even write down in your diary where you currently are in your life, what is going on wrong and where you want to be. Admit that there is a problem. So until and unless you recognize your problem, your brain does not start to find its solution. Once you recognize what are the blocks, what are the problems you are facing, your brain will start working automatically to find a solution. If you ignore the problem, it won't magically get better. In fact, this enforces quitting and will make it worse. Say that you are really feeling and then ask yourself, why are you feeling this way? Ask yourself what will happen if you don't get back on track and where you will be in 3 months, 6 months or a year if you don't change now. Identify your reasons, open yourself up, develop a plan and overcome it. So discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishments. Try to find what is holding you back and the solution will be ready for you. Point 2, stop thinking and start doing. The world's most famous and action takers man have said, action beats anxiety, motion beats meditation, and work beats worry. Sometimes sitting around thinking is the worst thing you can do. Overthinking drains your energy, making the problem overwhelming. The best way to hold yourself back from taking action is these anxiety. Instead of it, take consistent small action. So once you start doing something, you will see that your anxiety reduces. If you are feeling worried or fear due to any subject, start completing its small chapter. You will feel a little more confident. Move ahead. Finish the second chapter. You will be more confident. Anxiety will reduce. So work will beat your worry. If you are feeling worried for giving test, if you have fear in giving test, start giving test. Once you give a test, you will feel more confident. The rank, the marks doesn't matter at this time. What matters is how you tackle your fears. So try to beat your fears and you will win one day. Every great journey that have begun with a single step. Don't try to be perfectionist. Try to be action taker. Point 3, celebrate your victories. Let's say you are trying to get something very big, but you are not able to achieve that due to the time it takes. Try to celebrate the small victory. If you are trying to cover a big subject, try cover a small portion of it and celebrate it. Pat yourself, get excited, jump around, because this will change the physiology to change your mindset. Even the small victories will give you enough push that you can lead it to a better results and better change. Your brain loves celebration. As you feel good, chemicals like dopamine gets released. So being medical, most of the listener would be medical person. I need not to emphasize the role of dopamine. So train your brain to seek more results. Give it, reward it for even the small victories. Victories, no matter big or small, can change your mood and help you get going and create a new habit, a new persistence in the process. So action beats anxiety, motion beats meditation, and work beats worry. Work and you will see your worry getting reduced. Fourth is Accountability is the key. Sometimes you just need someone else to support you on your worries. Whether it is to remove the fear, whether it is to remove the block, whether it is to make a subject simple, accountability can be a great way to help you stay disciplined. So don't be just too proud to enroll to ask for help. So you can always seek help from your seniors, from the coaches who can help you to stay consistent and maintain productivity. Over the time, this discipline will become an automatic habit, and you will normally be giving more efforts, more results than before. So don't let your lazy brain and feelings get in the way of creating the life of your dreams. Forget what you feel, remember what you deserve. I hope you will implement these and will overcome your hopelessness or the blocks or the fear that you are facing currently. This is Dr. Shivam. Stay happy, stay safe, stay healthy, and everything that is good happen with you. Thank you.